All right, I'm recording. All right, this is my fish tank. Latest view of it. As you can see, these Asta 20 lights are really growing the plants. I have just trimmed a lot, and everything is growing too much. This S ribbons is taken off by itself, and the banana plant, I cut all the top leaves because they were shelled in the light, but they're growing back, as you can see. And my hair grass is finally taken off. Baby tears, regular baby tears, and everything is fine. And these lights really grow plants. And I have a smaller CO2. This is paintball 24 ounce, and I keep very low bubble count. You can see that's like one bubble every 3 seconds. And everything's growing. Thanks for watching.